Okay, so let's have a think about how you might protect your LLMs. It all sort of starts with the model itself, whether you're looking to build this on something like AWS or Azure. This is the thing that we're trying to protect. And obviously, if that's internal to your business, we might have users coming through and we've got prompts and response coming back to the LLM. Now, as we're sort of coding this up and we're building this out, we've got a few things to consider. There's the logic of the model itself. So how is it going to behave? What sort of style service is it? What are the sort of rules and regulations? We've also got things like a knowledge base. So if you want to feed this an internal data set or give it access to internet-based information, again, that may differ based on your use case. But a really important thing to also consider is the guardrails around this, and this is where security comes into play. Now, there's ways in which to bake internal guardrails, but one of the best ways is to have an external security system. So let's just call this the guard in this case. And this is going to be checking for a bunch of different things. So first of all, if there's any malicious, harmful, or unwanted content being injected into the LLM through the prompt itself, it's going to be searching for sensitive data like PII, like other source code or something like that, that we don't want leaked out of the trusted LLM and to the external users. And also any attacks in the form of prompt injections, tricking the model into doing something it shouldn't, things like do anything now, if you're familiar with that sort of thing. So once this is in place, what will actually happen is the user will send a request to the LLM. This will fire off to the security system. And if any of these checks are breached, we will sort of block or send a notification back to the LLM to ensure that the response going back to the user is filtered. So we ensure that that attack does not take place or that malicious bit of content does not go through. If a prompt comes through that is actually okay and the security system deems that this is fine, then this can come back and this can be delivered okay back to the user.